You searched how to buy shares of FACC AG. FACC is an Austrian aerospace supplier of aircraft components and systems listed on Xetra under ticker 1FC.de. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker 1FC.de to locate FACC AG. Make sure you select the correct Xetra listing for the company. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name, exchange Xetra, and ticker 1FC.de to ensure it's the correct stock. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to use, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be pending or scheduled. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before allowing confirmation. After purchase, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. Check the description below for the link to eToro if you want to follow the same steps.